How to add an image to the media library, edit the image metadata, and remove an image. From the main WordPress panel, under the My Site tab, go to the Media button, which can be found under Manage. This is your media library. You can quick add photos to your gallery by just clicking the Add button here. We aren't going to do that, so just click on Media. Hit the Add New button at the top of the page. Go find the desired image on your computer, and in a moment it will be uploaded to your media library. You can also add more than one photo at a time. Yay! When uploading your photo to the gallery, you'll be able to edit the photo's metadata. Changing that data is easy. Simply select the image and hit Edit beside the Add New button that was used earlier. Here you can change the metadata of the images or image, the title, caption, etc. To delete the image or images, select them, then click the Delete button up top. Confirm, and then you're done. Create, edit, and delete a post or page.
In the sidebar, under Manage, find Blog Posts. Hit Add New Post at the top. At the moment, we're going to focus on just making a post, so fill it in with whatever you like. You can hit Publish or keep it as a draft. When publishing, you have the option to schedule when your post is published, as well as its visibility. And publish! Yay! Here's how it looks so far. One way to edit is on the page itself, or go back to the post creation page. Click the three-dot drop-down menu to the right of the post, then click Edit. Here, you can change pretty much everything you could before you published, like adding images and changing what you said. From the Post tab, you may happen to accidentally delete a post.
Oh no!
You can find it under the tab labeled Trash at the top of the main Posts page. Clicking the three-dot drop-down menu, you can decide what to do with it. Let's restore it.
Manage content in a post or page. Again, click the three-dot menu, then click Edit. Paragraphs are automatically broken into individual blocks that separate the content that you've written. Hit the plus icon in the top left corner and you can add various blocks, tweak the formatting, etc. To change the text, just click on it and a bar will pop up with different options, such as the text position, size, etc. You can add additional content from the plus menu, like images, videos, and links. Here we're going to add an image to give our post a little more flair. To add images, hit the plus button again and add a picture from your media library. If a photo you want isn't there, you can also quick add from your current menu. In the bar to your right, you can tweak lots about your content, like font style, size, and color, as well as featured images on your post, tags on your post, and other things. Let's add a feature photo to our post, like so. Now, let's add some more content. Maybe a video. Let's find a video we like from the internet and copy its link. Go back to your post, find the Add Video block, From the drop-down menu, find the block that you like or simply search for it in the bar if you know what you're looking for. We're going to add the video block from the drop-down menu. Then, paste the link to the video in the new video block in the space provided. Update, and let's see how our post looks now. Restore or revert a post or page to an earlier version.
Maybe you added a photo you didn't like we did. On the sidebar to the right, you can see that there are 5 revisions. That means we've updated or saved 5 times. Click the save/version that you want to go back to and load it. It'll automatically edit your post for you. When ready, just like editing a page, hit update. Here's how it looks now. So maybe we did like the bear. Let's go back and do it again. Ta-da!
Oh no!